Good afternoon. It is April 22nd, 2019, and today I want to talk about my research question I raised in my Project 1 memo. My question states, what can local and state law enforcement do to keep their designated community and themselves safer? After spending some time looking through the internet, I came across some findings I would like to share with you. First one being the usage of body cameras. After some surveys conducted towards police officers from Florida were revealed, a surprising low percentage agreed that the body cameras would make them feel safer. However, a large percentage would still agree to wear them because they believe it can positively change a citizen's behavior towards police if citizens saw that the cameras were implemented in an officer's uniform, just like this one. A second finding is police fatigue, which can be portrayed here as officer sleeps behind his trunk. Police fatigue can negatively impact an officer's performance, which can lead to accidents that can affect citizens, not only citizens, but the officers themselves. This means they need adequate sleep, understandable work shifts, and a healthier eating habit. If not, accidents can even occur in the workplace, just like this video is going to show you right now. This officer falls asleep on the wheel. He's parked. The officer behind him is wondering what's going on, so he gets off, proceeds to walk to the unit, and sees that he's asleep. The officer then freaks out and presses on the accelerator, crashing into the other unit that was behind him. Now, the whole purpose of this video was to emphasize three statements, which are stay healthy, recognize fatigue, and promote safety. Thank you all for joining me in this video. Have a nice day.